I'm Kai with the Braze Learning team, and today I'm going to show you how to use BrazeAI to turn open text survey feedback into something that your campaigns can actually use. So rather than trying to pre-build every possible interpretation, we're going to let an agent do that work for us. In this example, we're working as a marketer from a retail company, looking to standardize free-form text sent via a form on their website. Let's get started. We'll begin inside Agent Console. I'm going to create a Canvas agent, then use Operator to help build it using a plain English prompt. Here, I'm asking Operator to create an agent called Survey Standardizer. The goal is pretty simple. Read a customer survey response and turn it into structured outputs that Braze can use later as inputs in my customer journey. A long list of keyword rules would get very painful very quickly here. With Operator, I can write the instruction much more naturally. Now, Operator is building the agent for us, so we'll speed through this part. As it runs, you'll see it set up the fields, instructions, and logic needed to make the agent effective for our campaign. Now we're on the agent instructions page. The structure is there, but I want to make it more useful for the message we're going to send later. I'm going back into Operator and asking it to add a main heading and subheading for the email we're building. These both should be based on what the agent understands from the customer's response. Once those fields are in place, the agent can use the response to shape the follow-up message. This looks good, so I'll save the agent before jumping over to our canvas. We're working with a pre-built flow, and if we open this message step, you can see the input we received, a free-form survey response submitted by a user. Useful information, just not in a format that's easy to automate straight away. So let's make that response available to the rest of the journey. I'll open the agent step, select the survey standardizer agent we just created, and now the canvas has a way to interpret that survey response. Let's look at the preview. The agent has read the customer's response and generated a message that reflects what they actually told us. If I switch to another user, you can see the output changes. The structure stays consistent, but the message adapts to the response. And this is why this workflow is so useful. You're taking feedback that would usually need manual review and turning it into real-time customer engagement. So instead of letting open text survey data sit in a spreadsheet somewhere, you can use BrazeAI to understand what the customer is telling you and respond in real time, completely automated and customized to their message. To try this with your own campaigns, go into Operator and ask it how you can turn open text customer feedback into structured outputs for a canvas. We've shared a sample prompt that you can easily use to test. Try it today.